Feeling stuck trying to make money online? You don't need to be a marketing expert to start freelancing this year. All you need is a few simple AI-powered copywriting services that clients are already paying for. Here's the crazy part. Over 70% of small businesses now outsource their writing work, and most of them don't care if you use AI, as long as it gets results. So let's break down 5 easy copy projects you can start selling with AI today. First up, Instagram captions. Brands are always looking for engaging, scroll-stopping posts. With tools like AI Creator Max, you can generate a full week's worth of captions in under 10 minutes. Second, product descriptions. If you search Etsy or Gumroad, you'll see tons of creators who need better descriptions that actually sell. Offer this as a gig and use AI to write 10 at a time fast. Third, email sequences. Freelancers charge hundreds for onboarding sequences, abandoned cart emails, and promos. AI tools help you write them with just a few inputs. Fourth, YouTube titles and descriptions. YouTubers hate writing them. If you can create high CTR titles with SEO-friendly descriptions, you can charge per video or on a retainer. Fifth, cold outreach. Write high-converting cold emails for creators and small agencies. It's a powerful service because it drives direct results. Here's a bonus tip. Bundle your services into simple packages. For example, an Instagram launch pack with 10 captions and a profile bio. This makes it easy for clients to say yes. You can use AI Creator Max to do all of this. Just pick a tool, enter a few words, and generate real copy in seconds. This video is part of a full playlist. Watch the next one to unlock more copy projects and pricing ideas. Like this tip? Hit like and subscribe for more weekly strategies. And let us know in the comments, which copy service do you want to try first? Want to test the tools yourself? Visit AICreatorMax.com and start for free today.